I'm getting pushback on something that I can do a video about, so in the noise tonight, we're going to do this video. Maybe it's appropriate. Someone types out, GoPro Hero 4 only? Well, maybe not only. Maybe there's more than one GoPro. Maybe I'm setting a trap. Sorry, but you have to know the models used were not GoPro 4. Doesn't matter if it's the most likely scenario and it's completely consistent and no one's responding to your supposed helicopter attack for 9 seconds in a video by a person who said he was using a GoPro 4. Investigate, and then it's Bartman Marine on Twitter, and then I'm supposed to go trudging through a Twitter posting. So this is a request for information, an RFC request for comment, obviously, because they have to have a comment. The Twitter page is twitter.com/BartmanMarine, and it's supposed to be about the first shots video, having the first 9 seconds be the sounds of gunfire. And somehow or other, this person contradicting a guy named Carlos, who owned the camera that took the video, and that it was a GoPro. It may not have been a GoPro. Alright. Every source so far, including me finding out who the Carlos is a long time ago on a previous channel, I had a video explaining which Carlos it is. I'll go dig it up. It was a GoPro 4. It doesn't matter if you like that I did the investigation before you showed up. You're new around here, that's okay. What I find annoying is, why wouldn't it be a GoPro 4? Why does it have to be gunshots? Nobody's responding to the supposed sound of gunshots from helicopters, or the sound of helicopter beats. Remember, the actual thing is you type in GoPro Hero 4 helicopter noise, not machine gun fire. It would be perfectly innocuous if it was a helicopter. There are helicopters in the area. It would be perfectly innocuous if it was a Wi-Fi antenna. But it must be shots. And Hoover doesn't like... this is about Hoover, by the way, apparently. Hoover doesn't like the fact that that's a better explanation, because I gave links in that video, and you'll see them below, to several videos of people complaining about their GoPro making helicopter noises. They sound identical. So I'm going to do a video recording where I take the first 9 seconds and play it back over and over again in the left channel and let you listen to one doing the same thing on the other channel. If they synchronize up really tightly, they don't have to be perfect. I mean, I'm not assuming video uploads on YouTube are going to be perfect, but if they synchronize really closely, then that's the most likely scenario. But then again, there were helicopters that night. It could just be the sound of rotors, because it's described more often as a helicopter noise, not shots. Why do you have to fanboy Hoover, who's become obsessed with the first 9 seconds? That's what everybody's accusing him of. No, actually, it's only one person accusing him. The trouble is, the person accusing him didn't just give up the goods and tell him, because maybe he wasn't allowed to, because the person who did the video didn't want to be identified. I'm not going to identify him either, but I'm going to contact him because I have his data someplace. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.